Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 20th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do make sure you check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. And also, don't forget that I do a YouTube live stream every weekday evening at 6 p.m. GMT time. So anyways, the pound yen has definitely been drifting down pretty strong, and the pound yen actually hasn't broken structure on the daily, so we can't rule out the possibility of this just continuing the downtrend and this just being an ABC correction and a downtrend. But because of the JPY basket, I'm still kind of thinking that there's a good chance that this move down is a correction and that it will probably make a higher low relative to this high, and it's probably going to continue on this daily time frame to make higher highs, higher lows, maybe even all the way up to like the 202 area for a wave B, and then probably back down for the bigger wave C later on. So definitely keep an eye out for that for sure. If you go down to the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up, as you can see. If we get a nice Fibonacci bounce, which it could be any one of these levels, and honestly, it could even go down and take out these lows and turn at one of these lower levels. But if we do get that little, 3, 4, 5 shape, nice engulfing move up, nice break of structure, I definitely would take it as a long, whether it happens at the 61%, whether it goes down to the 78%, whether it goes down to the 123 or the 138, I really have no idea. I just know that if we pay attention to our fib levels and we pay attention to price and structure, when we see what we're looking for, we should be able to take action and go long, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. So I'm definitely watching my fib levels very closely, definitely watching my price and structure very closely for hopefully an entry to go long for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free trading community, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.